Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 Shelby GT350 Mustang. And I'll read from the seller's comments at the auction. And, well, actually there weren't any comments. The seller didn't put anything on it, so I don't have the mileage or anything about it. But it looks like it was a restored car to me. It was in really nice shape and was a automatic transmission. I don't know the mileage, so probably forgot to write it down. But it bid to $86,000 and did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Back in 1969, the list price for the Fastback was $4,434. As far as production numbers go on the 1969 Shelbys, they made 1,085 GT350 Fastbacks and 194 convertibles. And then the GT500s, they made 1,536 Fastbacks and 335 GT500 convertibles. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1969 Shelby Mustang GT350 that would look like it had a ground-up restoration, and it bid to $86,000, but did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.